And welcome back to another video. So, pump track, e-bikes, pump track. I thought, why not take the Surons to the Temecula pump track and see if we could rhythm through everything. And honestly, it turned out really well. So yeah, a lot of you guys can still hate on the Surons, I guess, because it doesn't make a 2-stroke sound or a 4-stroke sound. Blah, blah, blah. That's like the main complaint. But dude, until you ride one, they're actually pretty fun. Like, other than that, enjoy the rest of this video.
That's
dude,
like straight a MTB
like
fork?
Up here. Huh?
Straight a mountain bike fork?
Yeah.
That's
just
so
fox
sick.
forwarding and just throw it on there. Oh yeah, he's cooking on it.
Annihilate's been there.
Yeah.
So good.
It's so smooth. Hey, you would have made that. Yo. Oh, I cased it.
Staying high in the first half and then just cut down and seat bounce out.
That's what I'm saying, because you're literally just halfway through that turn, you're like wide open, huh?
What's your heart rate at?
173 beats per minute?
I've had higher though.
Yeah, I'm a little tired.
You're good.
No. I'm not gonna hit that. Did you hit that? No, you didn't.
I'll hit it right now.
You jumped all the way down that?
What? What the f?
Yeah, no thank you. You cased it so bad. So did I. Wow, Neuro guy. Much better. Yo. Can. I wouldn't be surprised if we're hitting on it.
Ready?
Yeah.
You're chilling.
She's good. Some good fun now, mate. Oh gosh.
We have a sponsor for today's video, so let's get into it.
I belong to you.
Okay, so lately I've been working out a lot, trying to maintain a healthier lifestyle. I used to grow up eating cereal all the time, but then as I got older, I realized how bad other cereal is actually for you. That's where Magic Spoon comes into play. So this cereal has 13 grams of protein, 4 grams of net carbs, and 0 grams of sugar. Gluten-free, grain-free, soy-free, and low-carb. Keto-friendly, and only 140 grams of calories per serving. So if you guys are trying to maintain a healthier lifestyle, I would suggest checking out Magic Spoon. It's a great alternative, tastes great. Fruity's probably my favorite. If you guys want to try this out, click the link below, use code ZAY5 or go to magicspoon.com/ZAY5 for $5 off your first order.
DJ Polly Deej had to show up. All right, so this thing never got finished. It's too dry, so we're gonna hit it, wreck the jump probably, but you're up first. You're stressing it?
Lip's a little soft. You think you're gonna clear this out of that?
Do you think you're scared of that when that lip was as soft as it was the first time we hit it? Fuck, bro. I can't be the test dummy for all of them.
Maybe because the lip has 0 pack job.
Just try it.
Give it a little running.
Dude, that was probably a good speed, but like any faster, you're gonna OJ it 100%. Easy. Nice. Hit it clean. Nice. That was perfect.
I'll get it again. I went way too slow.
Yo. How was it? See my heart rate. 154. It's not even bad, dude. If it's wet, we'd try to grip a lot more.
Now we can run full laps though.
Yeah? As soon as you get past this thing, just everything.
Not everything.
No, everything, because he weighs more than us for sure.
I'm like,
Pulling it right now. Paul, I don't mean to doubt you, but like I think you're not gonna do it today. Yeah, all day. Don't jump into it like a... No commit.
I got a job to go to. That's why I'm afraid.
Shut up, dude. We were both in the same boat here. Oh my gosh, dude. Another no committer. A little bit JJ, dude.